In this video, when I show you what was wrong with my furnace, it just start just turn it on and turn it off by itself for it turn it on by for 3 seconds, and then that was the problem with my furnace. It's a gas furnace, and it just keep flashing, but that's normal. What the diagnostic service says. It's normal with the flashing, and right there it's gonna start doing the flames. Look, and then for 3 seconds, boom, disappear. That's all it does, and and then we fix it a different way. All right, when I tell you how do we fix it. Okay, there was a few steps that we did before start fixing it. Like we clean all the sensors, the flame sensor, the pilot sensor. Is that what it is? We checked the air filter. Everything it was good. Um, Only the flame sensor we need to take it off, because I watched another video that the guy says, when this kind of symptoms happens, when it turns on, turn off, just for a few seconds, and it won't turn on back again. What you gotta do is disconnect the flame sensor, which is this one right here. That's the furnace sensor. Remember, you gotta disconnect all the electrical and power to this unit, because it's very dangerous. Okay, so I bought the sandpaper just to clean the flame sensor, all the parts, the metal parts that you can see. I'm gonna start cleaning it around very gently. It says that you're not supposed to be touch it with your hand on the way I'm doing it right now, but I didn't know until just watching my own video. But it worked, so just just grab it from the other side. Okay, so you just send the whole thing. Make sure it's gonna be like bright. This one, it was brand new flame sensor, because they said when replace that, it should be start working back on, but it didn't. But I also tried the sandpaper as well, the same new flame sensor, because when they arrived, because I ordered it online on eBay, it came but a little bit dirty. So I'm just sand it very good. It took me just a couple minutes to do it, maybe more. But during this process, before this, I checked the thermostat. It was good. The thermostat, you gotta check the batteries, make sure they're good batteries. And then after that, I check the air filter. Everything looked okay. I check all around, like for any crack or broken something, and everything was good. I just took all the sensors, like it's like 2 or 3, and then I just clean it out, with a little sandpaper as well, like this one right here. And then after that, I just put it back, this sensor back in, after cleaning it, sanded it pretty good, and then I put it back in, and again it didn't work. It didn't work. So you can see how was the difference. Well, probably not, but just sounding pretty good. But when I put it back in to the unit, I crossed fingers, and it didn't work out. It's still doing the same. And then after that, I called I have a friend that he's a HVAC repair guy, and I told him about the symptom. He said, you just take the flame sensor and sand it with sandpaper a little bit gently, and then put it back in the unit, and that will be fix the problem. And I told them, okay, I sure will do that, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much, friend. And then that's what I'm doing it right now. Uh, but after that, it didn't work out, like I say again. So I call him back or message him back and tell him, dude, it didn't work out. What else could be the failure, or the problem? And he said, well, the next thing that we can think about, he say, is gonna be the board of this unit, the computer board and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, really, dude? That's a lot of more money, more, more parts to take them to disassemble, take them apart. Anyways, so I put it back, this flame sensor, right? I screw it back in. It's pretty simple. Just make sure that you don't have any electrical power in the unit, because otherwise you're gonna be executed. Very, very careful, guys. This is not for everybody. Just very careful. I'll disconnect the unit so there's no power at all until I just turn it on right now. And then I came back to see, start flashing like regular. That's normal when it's flashing like that. And then that's normal when flashing like this. See, that means it calling the heat. So right there, the pilot is on, and then the gas gonna start working right now. See, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 seconds. Stop again. It didn't work out. So let me show you what was the problem until when we find out after this. Okay, guys. After we almost go through. We almost about to call someone else professional, but we found the problem, just like in my washer before, in my other videos. Right here, this wire, the one that goes to the flame sensor, guys. For some reason, you put it back in the sensor, and you think everything is cool, because it's going in. But look at this, is the sensor. And then, well, I didn't, everything looks good on this one right here, this wire right here, the white wire that goes to the flame sensor. Now we just tied it up a little bit with the pliers, like with the channel locks, to just have it tight. That way, when you put it back in that sensor, it feels more tight. The problem was that was a little loose. You not really can tell the loose, but now it fits tight. Like you push it like a little harder to get it in, and that was the problem for this furnace not to turn it on. Now I'm gonna turn it on, and you will see that it's gonna start back on less normal. Okay, we're gonna watch. We're gonna see the pilot turn on right now. See, it's hitting the, I think it's a pilot. I can't remember what's the name of that sensor. And then look at the gas. It's gonna turn a little bit. Hold on. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's keep going. That was the problem. That white wire, guys, that goes or connect to the flame sensor. Before, I thought that was the problem, the flame sensor. I ordered it brand new, and then after that I had to sand it with a sanded paper, and it didn't work out, and it didn't work. Now I just tied it up this white wire with the channel locks, and I put it back in the sensor connection, and then everything Now it goes well. So make sure that that little wire is tied pretty good when you hook it up to the sensor. If you feel that's a little loose, you can just do a new one, or you can just replace that little wire. Make sure that that's not the problem. But with us, in this in this video, on this situation, that was the problem. The furnace is a gas furnace. It turns it turns on for 3 seconds and stop working. But it was this little wire, white wire, that was the bad connection to that sensor. It was a bad connection. That's what it is. That's what was it. So make sure it's very tight, or you can replace it, like making a new little female thing. I don't know how do you call that little connection. And that was it, guys. So I'm gonna turn it off right now and put it back all uh, the top, yeah, like this. And that was it, guys. I'm hope, because I was looking for this failure, any failure videos like this one online, and I didn't see anyone come out with this problem. So that's why I'm making this video. Just comment or ask anything, and you can rewind the video, and you can see the problem with this furnace is when you turn it on, the heat, when you turn it on, it just heat, it turns on for 3 seconds and then it stop. That was the problem. How do we fix it? We fix it by tying this, or fixing this little white wire that goes to the flame sensor. All right, so now it's on again, and look, it's on, and now you will see the little the fire in the second right here. You can really see today's day is Thursday, February 2nd, 2017, and this video was look, there you go. And then I uploaded like 5 days ago, and then now it's still working as a champ. So if you have this problem, find your problem like this one, that's what it is. All furnace, this is whole house. Mostly all furnace are like this. It's pretty simple. So just check the wires, everything looks good, and that's my partner, and then that's me right here. So I'm not professional, guys. Just be careful, and if you don't know anything, really anything about this, don't even try. But we have little knowledge, a little bit, and we fix things. Okay, so now it's getting 69, and then I put it on 71. So we're gonna give a little time to start warm up. But now it's working. We check all the rooms, and everything is coming out pretty good. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys, and like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know, and subscribe, give me like my video if it was for you. If not, you still can like my video or dislike, whatever, it helps either way. Thank you very much, and stay warm.